Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
What do I taste?
Oh, look at it. Is it hot? Here goes nothing. Got some ground beef, tomatoes, and some of those black olives. Let's take a bite. Mike Easter Street, we're in the pub, fish and chips. It's in Lincoln. Oh my God. That's the hell of it. Let's try a big bite. There it is. Nothing to it but to do it. Oh my goodness. Check it out. Quit dragging your feet, Mike. See how it tastes. Look at that egg. Look at that cheese. Look at that bite. Sweet, juicy tomato. This is the Dell taco. Taco Bell. Let's see if this is the same consistency and taste as a restaurant. This is the eggs. It's gone. I'm gonna eat it no matter what. There's the nacho. Oh, look, I got a mustache. Oh, you know, I'm the frito bandito. I'm gonna put the whole thing on. He tastes like a seasoned fry, but I gotta tell you, it's not bad. Not terrible, not great. Nacho fries. See how I did that? For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Subscribe. Tell all your friends, and even people you don't like. Until next time. Peace, nacho.
Live life 365.
We've got these nacho fries. Okay, hold on. No one wants to hear all this noise. They all fell. That's for the outtakes, I guess. Put them back in. They make them look so good on TV. Well, we're just gonna take a little look like this. No, honestly, these are pretty damn good. Look at this. Sweet bamboo. Bring some home for your wife, Mike. Baba.